Welcome to the fourth video of CNN section. Now we'll see what we've implemented in TensorBoard. We'll see the graph of our implemented network, the performance graph, and what we've obtained in the multiple runs while tuning the hyperparameters of the network. Here's the main portion of the network that we've implemented. Out of the three convolutional layers, the third and final layer has been magnified for details. The weights are multiplied to the inputs in the conv2D graph node, and the biases are then added to it. You can also see the pooling layer nodes behind this convolutional layer. The outputs from this last convolutional layer are going to be fed into the fully connected layers, not shown in this image. This is a small network. If we implement a bigger network, such as a complete AlexNet, this graph would have been much more complex and more helpful to us. All the runs shown here are for the loss of the network. The loss is decreasing as the network is being trained. All these layers acts as Lego blocks and can be connected to each other. The more intelligent layers we add, the better are the accuracies that we get through it. We've added different techniques here, such as dropout, regularization, learning rate decay, which you could see in the full source code of this section. Take a good look at the code and try to tune the hyperparameters, such as the learning rate, standard deviations of the weights of convolutional layers, and the fully connected layers, and then run TensorBoard again to see what changes you get and what are the best decisions you made in the process. Most of this is experimental knowledge, and only then you may justify your findings. So, in this video, we saw what TensorBoard gave for our implemented network, and what were the informational graphs we had through it. In the next video, we're going to compare the performances of our previous model and the model we've implemented now. As always, good luck.